I can't see anything right now. We are going to see somebody reading with her eyes closed.
REASON।
जानवी क्या हुआ था क्लास में?
क्लास में मैंने मेडिटेशन किया, अलग लैंग्वेजेस खुद ही मेरे माइंड में आने लगे।
बिहारी को कोरियन कैसे आ गई?
जब मैंने आपका इंस्टाग्राम देखा था मेरे होश उड़ गए थे। Welcome Shreya on Road with Sneha.
It's not magic. It's not tricks. We are not doing any psychic activities.
All is happening because of the intuition process.
Third level of learning is intuition. They go beyond the five senses and they use their sixth sense to capture what is there. These are abilities that children have to learn when they are studying. In no school or no institution have they been taught how to handle the mind. Dental hygiene hai, mental hygiene.
There's nothing.
This is known as telekinesis.
You're going to move this without touching it.
We're talking about nanotechnology, we're talking about all this, but this is real education that the world is looking for.
Why can't somebody like me, like after the age of 18, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने मिस कर दिया ये चांस. One thing you think is killing kids' intuition.
I would say just
Why is this not taught in every school? I mean, I think every school in India should have something like this. So I'm super excited for you guys to watch this episode, but I have one question for all the viewers out here. So हमें बताइए कि आपने लाइफ में कौन सा डिसीजन अपने इंट्यूशन पे लिया है या अपने गट फीलिंग पे लिया है जहाँ पे सबने मना किया है एंड लॉजिक का साथ कुछ भी नहीं है बट आपको लगा कि ये करना चाहिए लाइफ में और आपने वो डिसीजन लिया है अपने लाइफ में. Tell me in the comments below. We would love to hear about all your experiences. Hey you, welcome on Roar with Sneha. I am your host Sneha Desai and every episode of Roar is a reminder that you're meant for more. You're meant for expansion and you're not here to just settle down for less. Before I tell you about today's episode, we have observed that 95% of you are watching our episodes but haven't subscribed to our channel. It is my humble request to go hit that subscribe button because that helps us build a better community and get the best of guests on this show. Today's episode is going to blow your mind. I promise that by the end of this episode, you're going to be convinced that your mind is a superpower and we haven't been equipped in the right way to use it. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं श्रेया चूक से, who is from the Art of Living Center, Bangalore. She has trained more than 1 lakh students to tap into their intuition and the results have been mind-boggling. आप जो ये एपिसोड में देखने वाले हो, let me tell you, it isn't a magic trick. It is a proof that your brain can be accessed in different ways if it is guided in the right way at the right age. So it's time to dive deep. Let's roar. Today we are joined by Shreya, who's from Art of Living. Welcome Shreya on Roar with Sneha.
Thank you so much.
जब मैंने आपका इंस्टाग्राम देखा था मेरे होश उड़ गए थे. अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं देखा है, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली सबने देख ही लिया है इनका इंस्टाग्राम, बट नहीं देखा है तो ये क्लिप्स है और इससे आपके होश जरूर उड़ जाएंगे. Tell me, what are the kids actually doing in these reels?
तो जो आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग का इंट्यूशन प्रोसेस है बच्चों के लिए 5 से 18 साल के लिए 5 to 18, उसमें हम वी टीच देम सम टेक्निक्स ऑफ प्राणायामास एंड मेडिटेशन एंड विद दैट it's a process that we use the blindfold. So the blindfold is actually not to cover their eyes, but the blindfold's purpose is to go within.
Okay.
Because children are so distracted कि उनका दिमाग इधर उधर मन इधर उधर भटकता रहता है. तो बस एकाग्र करने के लिए as a practice we use the blindfold to demonstrate that intuition works.
All is happening because of the intuition process, the course that they have done with you.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Basic question first. What is intuition? बहुत सारे लोग ये जानना चाहते हैं क्योंकि ये देखना मतलब नॉर्मल लोगों में आप ये नहीं देख सकते. सब बोलते हैं कि हाँ मतलब मेरा गट फीलिंग है. वी ऑल यूज दीज वर्ड्स वेरी लूजली कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये होने वाला है और कभी कभी हो भी जाता है, बट इट्स नॉट ऑल द टाइम एंड व्हाट दे आर डूइंग इज समथिंग मैजिकल. सो व्हाट इज इंट्यूशन अकॉर्डिंग
So first of all, it's not magic. Second, it's not tricks. Third, we are not doing any psychic activities here. It's simple pranayamas that are taught to children over the span of 17 days, over 3 weekends.
Okay.
So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then the last Sunday is a follow-up. Across the world, any city, any state, any country, Art of Living process is there. You can look out for it for your 5 to 18-year-old children, number 1. Second, intuition क्या है? Intuition है पहला विचार, फर्स्ट थॉट. हमारे माइंड में इतने सारे थॉट्स बम्बार्डेड होते हैं कि हमें पता नहीं हमारा फर्स्ट थॉट क्या होता है, और जो फर्स्ट थॉट होता है वही सही थॉट होता है. दैट्स द राइट थॉट. सो द राइट थॉट एट द राइट टाइम विद द राइट एक्शन, दैट इज इंट्यूशन. नाउ एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ आपको मैं सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए. एग्जाम है, एग्जाम पेपर सामने है, राइट. हम क्वेश्चन देखते ही भूल जाते हैं आंसर. और कब याद आता है? जैसे हम एग्जाम हॉल
के बाहर आते
के
हैं.
बाहर आते हैं, अरे टिंग ऐसे होता है, अरे यार मेरे को याद था, भूल गया मैं. क्यों भूल गया था? स्ट्रेस था,
ओके.
या डर था, या कहीं मतलब कोई तो झिझक थी, you know, some kind of a fear is there, so they forget it. So the right thought has not come at the right time, the right thought has come at the wrong time. एग्जाम के टाइम पे आंसर की जरूरत थी, पर आंसर कब मिला?
बाद में मिला.
बाद में मिला. तो
और ये सबके साथ होता
तो
है.
ये इंट्यूशन नहीं है.
ओके.
तो सही समय पे अगर सही विचार आ गया, सही समय पे अगर आपको समझ में आ गया कि ये व्यक्ति से बात करनी है, ये व्यक्ति से नहीं बात करनी है, अब बच जाओगे. सही समय पे आपने करियर चूज कर लिया. अब बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स क्या होते हैं, मेडिकल ले लेते हैं, इंजीनियरिंग ले लेते हैं, आर्किटेक्चर ले लेते हैं, फिर 1 ईयर के बाद उनको होता है, ओ माय गॉड, यू नो, आई मेड द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक ऑफ माय लाइफ. एंड देन यू ड्रैग इट,
Yeah.
you go through it, and then you change, you go to an MBA or something like that, because that right thought has not come to you at the right time.
Okay.
It has come to you at the wrong time. So like this, we have so many examples. When we are studying, when we are playing sports, maybe you hit a wrong run and you got out.
Yeah.
But if your intuition is working, you will make the correct moves. If you're a goalkeeper, you will already be in a position that I feel is going to come here. So our children are ready. You know, live examples are Divya Kriti. She won the equestrian gold
Okay.
in the Olympics.
Oh wow.
She's an intuition process practitioner. Divya Tadigol, she won the silver in shooting, rifle shooting. She is a she practices intuition process. So she was saying that, you know, on that spot, in that level of pressure, this is what helped me. I
Wow.
was so relaxed. Divya Kriti was saying I was able to communicate with the horse. I was able to feel what is going to happen. I knew what move to make next. So these are things, these are abilities that children have to learn when they are studying young. In no school or no institution have they been taught how to handle the mind.
Yeah.
It's not about blindfold activities again. You know, when we see the activities, you will see how does that child know it is red? Look at the clarity in mind. How does that child know it is green? How does that child know if a picture you're giving or a photograph you're giving, that if it's a pineapple, it's a pineapple. I can say apple, I don't know what it is. I have no idea.
Yeah.
Because we are so cluttered in our mind कि strawberry भी हो सकता है, apple भी हो सकता है, pineapple भी हो सकता है, पता नहीं क्या है. पर इन लोगों में इतनी क्लैरिटी आ जाती है माइंड में, इतना शार्प हो जाता है इनका माइंड कि ये लोग पकड़ लेते हैं.
So it's like the first thought that they get,
Yes.
they stick to it.
Yes.
And that is beautiful.
And that is the training that is given to them. Nothing else. It's as simple as doing the pranayamas. So pranayama से क्या है आपको बताती हूँ मैं. Prana is energy. Yama is दिशा देना उसको, giving a direction.
Yeah.
So children are so distracted, right? Digital distraction है, boyfriend girlfriend distraction है, social distraction है, friends का pressure है, social media distraction है.
100%.
Right? So they don't know what to do when, right? And their energy is very scattered.
Yeah.
Now, if you ask me, why does a child shout? Because energy is dissipated. उसकी energy बिखरी हुई है.
Yeah, because a lot of it is in there and they don't know where to channelize it.
Yes. And then is a boom.
Yes. Yeah.
Blast.
Yeah.
And parents are not able to see this happen because they have seen that child so pure, so innocent, कितना मासूम बच्चा अपने हाथ में देखा है, suddenly वो ऐसे राक्षस का रूप हो गया है. उसकी एनर्जी बिखर गई है. क्यों? क्योंकि adolescence में क्या होता है, हार्मोनल चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, इंटरनल चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, आउटर एक्सटर्नल चेंजेस हो रहे हैं. सडनली प्री स्कूल से मिड स्कूल, मिडिल स्कूल से हाई स्कूल, and there are so many things that are changing.
Yeah.
Thoughts are changing, emotions are changing, people are changing around them.
Yes.
Right? So they are not able to handle what is happening, and for that they go on to their friends or probably the media to find out a solution, maybe a chat GPT.
Or even the wrong ways are adopted at a very young age.
Right.
Because
So temptations come in at that.
Yeah, they cling to the wrong things for love, for attention, for a lot of things.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So it's very important to channelize their energy at the right time.
Okay.
And that's why we say it's better that you do it at inception, 5 years. Anyways, it's not late. The intuition process can happen between 5 to 18 at any point of time. And then they continue this all their life.
Okay.
So एक इतना बड़ा advantage है कि तुम even when you turn 70, you'll still be able to practice it. But 18 के बाद आप initiate नहीं हो सकते. You can't be taught.
So it's like, yeah, so I want to get there also. So it's like a skill जो आपने बचपन में आपने एक conditioning, एक wiring कर दिया है
Yes.
at a young age.
Programming.
And you can access it anytime in your life.
Right.
एंड ऑल्सो जैसे मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों से बात किया है, पेरेंटिंग कोचेस से बात किया है, सो ऑल ऑफ देम से दैट द कंडीशनिंग ऑफ द माइंड, लाइक दे आर लाइक फोम. जब 7 टिल द एज ऑफ 7 एंड आप तो 18 तक सिखा रहे हो, बट टिल द एज ऑफ 7 अ किड कैन बी टॉट एनीथिंग. मल्टीपल लैंग्वेजेस सिखा सकते हो आप, बिकॉज इट्स लाइक अ फोम, और वो सब अडेप्ट कर रहा है.
Absolutely right.
एंड दे आर टेकिंग इन एवरीथिंग. एंड एज यू सेड कि एनर्जी इतना हाई है, तो जब पता नहीं चल रहा है कि कैसे कोप अप करना है, दे हैव सो मेनी किड्स हैव ADHD.
Yes.
At this, at such a young age, they're trying to, their attention span has reduced so much. And I think something like this.
3 seconds.
Yeah. But tell me one thing, I know kids, like मेरे भी family में हैं, but to make them sit, to make them even meditate, like आँख बंद करके मतलब बैठो सिर्फ यहाँ पे, ये भी बहुत difficult है. So how does this come so easy at an intuition class?
So yeah, that's absolutely a brilliant question. I am also amazed that 5 to 7, when we teach that category of children,
Okay.
it's called the juniors program
Hmm.
in the Art of Living. It's amazing because parents come to me and say that ये बच्चा 1 सेकंड के लिए बैठ नहीं सकता है. और वो क्लास में ऐसे नहीं है कि हम लंबी लंबी मेडिटेशंस कर रहे हैं बच्चों के साथ. बच्चों के साथ हम उतना ही देते हैं जितना वो ले सकते हैं.
So how long is the meditation that
So
they
for
do?
them it's only 7 minutes or 10 minutes. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah. And in that also they are doing a lot of activities, pranayamas. And then the consciousness is so pure and so innocent that they just get it. For 8 plus to 18, it's a little more. It's a little longer. The process of initiation.
So see, immediately after 8, your mind is again clouded.
because
somewhere
your
or the other.
intellect starts developing at that time.
Hmm.
So there is a judgmental factor that comes in. Logic sets in at 8. Right or wrong, yes or no, करना है नहीं करना है.
So logic kills intuition?
Yes.
Yes.
So logic it doesn't kill, but it plays a little hindrance.
Hindrance, yeah, that's what. So kahin na kahin.
Usually what is happening is we're using a lot of our left brain in education. But the right brain part of it, yes, creativity is there, dance is there, music is there, extracurriculars are there. But this wing, that actually ignites intuition, that actually makes your mind settle, that actually calms you down, that actually brings you into one with yourself. That part of education is missing
Yeah.
because they're not able to center themselves. They are good at everything, but this part of intuition or how to see, we are saying ध्यान से खाओ, ध्यान से पियो, ध्यान से सो, ध्यान से खेलना,
गिर मत जाना.
हार मत जाना.
Yeah.
तो ये ध्यान क्या है, ये हमने कभी नहीं इस पे अटेंशन दिया है.
Yeah. So true.
So this is what is missing in the educational structure today,
Yes.
and this is the need of the hour, because every child, safety is important, mindset is important, clarity is important. So I say intuition works when there is clarity in mind, sincerity in action, and purity in the heart. ये सारी तीनों
जब
चीजें
3 चीजें हो,
सेट हो जाती है.
you're going to be intuitive.
Even as an adult, you can be intuitive.
So clarity, sincerity,
Purity
and
heart.
purity in heart.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when you meditate, automatically these impressions start clearing off. Your doubts start clearing off. Your negativities start falling off. You start becoming more centered. You become more relaxed. Because a cluttered mind in a problematic situation cannot come with a solution.
100%.
You will create a bigger problem.
It's like when you see your reflection in rippled water, you're not going to see it clearly. The moment it's shant, you can actually see things
Exactly.
very clearly. So basically what you're saying is आप यहाँ पे right brain activation सिखा रहे हो.
Not really. We are just rewiring
रीवायरिंग.
their structure.
बट या कहीं ना कहीं वो राइट ब्रेन के जो ये है वो स्टिमुलेट
दोनों,
हो रहे हैं.
दोनों।
दोनों हो रहे हैं.
मेडिटेशन से क्या होता है, एक बैलेंस आ जाता है,
अच्छा.
एक समता आ जाती है. So it's not left or right. If somebody is lacking in the right, the left,
So the body knows what it
Yeah,
has to do.
the body knows.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you are just using prana,
Yeah.
the vital force that we have. So वो करके they are actually वो जो
Pranayamas.
pranayamas.
Yeah.
So doing that, so breath work is actually helping them meditate better and get more clarity.
Yes.
Right? Like why can't somebody like me, like after the age of 18, like मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने मिस कर दिया ये चांस. काश
नहीं,
मुझे
आपने-
पहले पता होता.
आपने मिस नहीं किया. आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग में बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स हैं.
हाँ.
आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग का हैप्पीनेस प्रोग्राम है
हम्म.
जो 18 प्लस के लिए सिखाया जाता है. यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट्स भी कर सकते हैं, कॉलेजेस के बच्चे भी कर सकते हैं, एडल्ट्स भी कर सकते हैं. 18 to however long you live.
Okay.
So that is level 1.
Hmm.
And then you go into that silence program, which is for 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, or 10 days. You can choose
Okay.
as per the time limit you have. So more the mind becomes settled. Even as adults, we also start becoming more and more intuitive.
Okay. So ये हो सकता है.
Yes, there's also a very beautiful program called the Sahaj Samadhi meditation program, which is, Sahaj means very simple, right?
Yeah.
Very naturally,
Simply, yeah.
purely.
Hmm.
It just comes to you
Yeah.
as natural as you are. And that practice can be done anywhere. You can also sit and do it behind the car while you're traveling. As it is, we are stuck in jams for so long,
Yeah.
right? So Sahaj is something, as long as you're not sitting on the driver's seat,
You could do it.
you can practice it while flying, while in a meeting you're tired for 20 minutes, or just before you have your meals. Just sit and relax.
Wow.
Teachers can do it. School teachers do it in their breaks. So this is something that is setting a trend now in a lot of offices, in a lot of schools and colleges.
Yeah.
In fact, I was in China, and there is a rule in that office where I went that only when you meditate can you be a part of that office structure.
Yeah, I've heard this.
So
Yeah.
it's beautiful, they meals and then meditation,
Yeah.
or meditation and then meals. Sorry, it's meditation and then
Then meals.
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically because meditation is going to, the stress factor comes down, you're going to be more productive somewhere or the other. And this is interesting, but I think the process for 18-year-old के बाद की जो प्रोसेस है वो थोड़ा अलग है, बट वो क्लैरिटी की ओर लेके जाएगा.
लंबा है.
लंबा है.
अरे इतने इम्प्रेशंस हैं, इतनी एंजाइटीज हैं, इतने डाउट्स हैं, तो थोड़ा टाइम तो लगता है, बिकॉज हम अडल्ट से अडल्ट्रेटेड हो गए हैं.
Yeah, that's so true. Like if you see the word intuition, it says inner tuition.
Yeah.
So tuition जो अंदर से आएगा वो आपको लेना है. And कहीं ना कहीं we start listening to voices when we grow up. Because people are like, ये हो जाएगा, fear based. We have opinions, we judge, so many judgments we pass. We think एक social आपको एक norm बताया गया, इस age में ये करना है, इस age में ये करना है. And you kind of start thinking life is like this.
Right.
And I think every person is so unique in its own way. But people are not ready to, मतलब वो एक जो होना चाहिए, एक bloom, every person needs
जो
to bloom.
दृष्टिकोण होती है ना, वो बदल जाती है.
Yes.
सेम चीज है, परिस्थिति नहीं बदलने वाली, लोग नहीं बदलने वाले, पर जो आपका नजरिया है, your observation, your expression and your perception, all these three things change with meditation.
With meditation, okay.
So I'll give you a simple example of what you're talking. See, in tuition, right? ट्यूशन के लिए जाते हैं बच्चे, क्यों? क्योंकि स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ पाते हैं.
True.
या कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है.
It's like extra
ट्यूशन
help.
भी ना समझ आती है. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर एक ग्लास है आपके हाथ में, पानी भरा हुआ है, आप ट्यूशन में भी जाओगे तो वो भरा ही हुआ है, वो खाली नहीं हो रहा है, उसमें और इन्फॉर्मेशन भरे जा रहे हो, वो ऑफलोड हो रहा है, गिरे जा रहा है पानी बाहर.
Yes.
ओवरफ्लो. तो जब तक वो खाली नहीं होगा या पात्र बढ़ेगा नहीं कि यू कैन अक्यूमुलेट मोर वाटर इन इट, सो स्ट्रेस इज ओनली इंक्रीजिंग, राइट? ग्रेड 8, ग्रेड 9, ग्रेड 10, 11, 12. सो this is full chamber. Unless you empty this, how can you fill in with more information? You can go for one tuition. Okay, tuition भी काम नहीं कर रही है, उसके ऊपर स्पेशल ट्यूटर है होमवर्क करवाने के लिए. आजकल होमवर्क के ट्यूशंस होती हैं कि they can finish their
homeworks. Yeah.
So it's very important that we clear this chamber first, like you flush, right? Or you clear the dustbin.
साफ करोगे तो नई चीज आएगी.
Dustbin is full of waste. If the garbage is accumulating every day, what will happen? Finally, you'll say, यार फेंको उसको,
Yes.
इतनी बदबू आ रही है। तो पर जो दिमाग का कचरा है उसके लिए हमने क्या किया है? डेंटल हाइजीन है, मेंटल हाइजीन,
There's nothing. People don't know what to do for mental hygiene.
you read, yes, you read books, it inspires you for some time, but self inspiration can come only with meditation. You can have a medicine when you have a headache, or you can read some nice things, or you can spend some time with your friend and say, yaar mere sath thodi der time spend kar le, I want to go for a walk in the beach, I want to relax. But you come back again, you have that headache, right?
Yeah.
So in the best of best situations, you're not able to enjoy it. Why?
Yeah.
क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं वो तनाव है.
Yeah.
You can go to Hawaii on a holiday, but if there's a stress in your mind, you're not able to enjoy it
Yes.
because you are mentally stressed.
And most of the things that we do in our routine life, like even me for that matter, or most of us, is to escape a lot of things. So अगर मैं हवाई भी गई हूँ वेकेशन के लिए, it's like यहाँ पे स्ट्रेस है, ये देखना नहीं है, I don't want to deal with this, so I'm going for a vacation, and then I'm like, oh, now this feels good, but that's very temporary.
Right.
And when you come back, you're in the same boat again.
So Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar ji says a very beautiful thing. It's a tip for everyone.
Yes.
You know, short-term pain, long-term gain. Always make your choices dependent on that. Maybe it can be feeling painful. Like, you know, let me tell you, a lot of people today have a big misconception about meditation.
Yes.
They feel that, oh, मेरे से नहीं होगा, मेरा दिमाग बहुत चलता है, मैं नहीं बैठ सकता एक जगह.
नहीं, और उनको ये भी लगता है मेडिटेशन इज फॉर स्पिरिचुअलिटी, सिर्फ
Right.
एक ही कनेक्शन बना के रखा है. बट आपको मटेरियल वर्ल्ड में, जैसे यू सेड कि अगर यहाँ पे भी जीना है अच्छे से विदाउट स्ट्रेस, तो मेडिटेशन उसके लिए भी है. इट्स नथिंग ओनली टू डू विद
चेक डैम है. जैसे यू नो फ्लड आ जाएगा, अगर आप डैम खोल दोगे तो पानी से फ्लड आ जाएगा, वही हो रहा है. पर हम चेक नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. इट्स जस्ट अ चेक ऑफ योर थॉट्स. हमें पता है बहुत सारे हमारे अंदर थॉट्स आ रहे हैं कंटिन्यूअसली, राइट? वी आर बीइंग बोmbarded with so many thoughts and all connected thoughts. We don't know where they're coming from, how it's happening, but we don't know how to stop it.
Yeah.
You can tell your mind and say, hey, just shut up. No, stop it. Why are you thinking so much? Maybe your friend will come to you after some time and say, relax. Why are you thinking so much? But I don't know how to do that. I can read a book for some time. I can console myself. I can go for a movie. I can go for a party. But these thoughts are not going to stop.
The chatter, in fact, increases
Exactly.
with time. Yeah.
So what are we doing about it? So let's see how these intuition kids do it
Yes.
in reality.
Yes, let's call one of them the superheroes. We have lots to talk about, but let's just see one demo.
Yeah.
Let's call one of the superheroes who we have here with us.
Sure.
Yeah. So हमारे साथ जानवी है यहाँ पे. जानवी, आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं बिहार से हूँ.
तो आपने कब सीखा ये इंट्यूशन प्रोसेस?
मैं 6-7 महीने पहले से.
ओके, 6-7 महीने पहले. और आप यहाँ के स्कूल में सीखते हो आप?
हाँ.
तो जानवी का थोड़ा सा मैं बैकग्राउंड देती हूँ.
प्लीज.
तो आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग के फ्री स्कूल्स हैं.
अच्छा.
करीबन 1 लाख से ज्यादा बच्चे पढ़ते हैं.
Wow.
And almost 1,356 schools across India. And these are all kids from the tribal background or the first generation.
And the free education is free for them.
Absolutely free.
Free.
And it's the first time that anybody is going into a school. Those are the first generation students.
Wow.
And there are many such children that have come.
तो उन सबको आप इंट्यूशन सिखाते हो ये सारे स्कूल्स में?
Yes, we have started teaching them recently. And Janvi is one among them.
Amazing.
And it's a very beautiful story of hers. So when she came for my intuition class, she has no idea. She's from Bihar. है ना, बिहार से हो. बिहारी को कोरियन कैसे आ जाएगी, राइट? तो क्लास में वो बस मेडिटेशन किया उसने. आई थिंक आई आस्क्ड जानवी ओनली टू शेयर. जानवी, क्या हुआ था क्लास में?
क्लास में मैंने मेडिटेशन किया और पहले से बहुत अलग हुआ.
हाँ.
फिर उसके बाद धीरे धीरे मैं अलग लैंग्वेजेस खुद ही मेरे माइंड में आने लगे थे.
तो
कैसे?
कैसे आने लगे?
वो अंदर मन में ऐसा लगता है कोई बोल रहा है.
सो आप सुन सकते हो?
हाँ.
ओके. एंड आपने कितने मेडिटेशंस किए थे ये होने से पहले?
मैंने एक ही किया था.
मतलब एक मेडिटेशन के बाद आपको आवाजें आने लगी और आपको लैंग्वेजेस दिखने लगे?
राइट. सो आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग का इंट्यूशन प्रोसेस लेवल 1 है जिसके हम बात कर रहे हैं.
ओके.
लेवल 2 में हम लैंग्वेजेस परसीव करना सिखाते हैं.
अच्छा.
तो बच्चे वो थॉट पकड़ लेते हैं. जैसे मैं हम थॉट की बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो इसको लग रहा है कुछ बोल रहे हैं, पर वो ऐसे वो थॉट पकड़ लेते हैं. तो उसने कोरियन में लिखा था.
अमेजिंग. सो आप कभी कोरिया गए हो?
और उसे पता भी नहीं था कि उसने कोरियन में लिखा है
Amazing. I cannot believe it.
और वो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट वर्ड्स थे
हाँ
परफेक्ट ट्रांसलेशन थी
हाँ
और मैंने उसके पास जाके बोला तेरे को कैसे पता ये कहाँ पे लिखा
हाँ. Did you know what she had written?
Even I didn't know. I used the Google Translator.
Exactly, for you to also know.
In fact, some of the students, because they're so much into this Korean fantasy
हाँ
nowadays,
हाँ
so one of the students nearby told me, Didi, that's in Korean.
Korean.
I said, oh, really?
हाँ. So she had not done the level 2 language का किया था और ये हुआ उसके साथ.
Level 2 का first
meditation and she got it.
Yes.
मैं पहले एक language यहाँ पे ये करती हूँ and maybe let's try.
हाँ ये तो थोड़ा अलग है अभी
हाँ
वो उसको अपने आप से आया था
अच्छा
उसने कॉपी नहीं किया था
वो अपने आप ही लिख रहे थे.
अपने आप से लिख रही थी
हाँ
अभी हम क्या करेंगे आप इसको ब्लाइंड फोल्ड पहनाना उसके पहले आप अपना खुद ब्लाइंड फोल्ड एक बार टेस्ट कर लीजिए कैमरा को दिखा दीजिए
okay.
बी टोटली कॉन्फिडेंट दैट योर
So
व्यूअर्स
it's like this. Okay.
आर एब्सोल्युटली ओके
हाँ
नो डाउट
let me try.
100% क्लियर हो जाओ
ये पहन लिया.
हाँ कुछ दिख रहा है
नहीं नीचे
100%
का भी बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
अब एक बार पूरा कैमरा को दिखा दीजिए
Yeah, I think
लेफ्ट राइट
I can't see anything right now.
Yeah.
मतलब नीचे का भी space, there's no outlet.
यस सो वी कैन शो इट ऑन द स्क्रीन
Yeah,
इट्स रियली वेल पैडेड
it's padded and नीचे से ज़्यादा है, so you cannot have, there's no leakage at all.
राइट सो
Okay, so she's going to wear this,
Yeah.
and then
and then you can write a language for her
okay,
and it will come to her as a first thought what you have written and she will copy it blindfolded
I'm excited.
yes
Okay, here you go. Okay, let's try. Let me put a word in Google. So मैं खुद ये word नहीं लिख सकती.
wow well done
Oh my God. So this means, ये पता है आपको क्या है? आपने क्या लिखा है? This is Japanese. This is called arigato. That means thank you. And how are you writing? I mean, one of the most difficult languages to learn, and she can actually write it. ये मैंने word दिखाया था. It's called arigato in Japanese. And she wrote it exactly जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा है. मतलब नीचे पूरा English में भी लिखा है. And the same way she has copied it. How is this happening? अच्छा आप मुझे एक बात बताओ जब आपने ऐसा हाथ रखा था उसके ऊपर तो क्या हो रहा था एग्जैक्टली?
मुझे ना मैंने जब हाथ रखा तो अंदर से ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोई बोल रहा है मेरा यही स्टार्ट होता है
आपको बोल रहा है कोई एंड आप कुछ फोकस करते हो या कुछ होता है लाइक ब्रेथ पे समथिंग मतलब कैसे हो रहा है ये?
या हम कुछ मंत्र करते हैं उसमें से होता है
अच्छा तो आपको एक मंत्र सिखाया गया है जो आपको ये हेल्प करता है करने में. वाओ आई एम अमेज्ड. आपको भी ऐसा लगता है ना आप कैसे कर पा रहे हो ये? आपको ऐसा लगता है हमेशा जब आप ये करते हो तो आप खुद शॉक हो जाते हो? Oh my God, this is super cute. Okay, I want to try something else with her. ठीक है? So blindfold आप लगा लो. Okay, let's try. Okay,
Yeah.
we'll.
so you can draw something on this side and
She'll draw.
something on this side
हाँ, I am excited. Okay, let's go. ठीक है?
जैसे जैसे दीदी बनाएंगे आप इस तरफ बनाओ चलो स्टार्ट
Start.
उनके साथ ही बनाते रहना
Amazing. She's using the touch से
sixth sense
sixth sense है ये.
that's the first level of learning right from the 5 senses that we grab we see we hear all these things
Yeah.
second is through logic like that also breaks because supposing you say the sun sets but sun doesn't set you see the sun setting but it's not setting
Yeah.
or if you put a pen in a beaker you feel it's टेढ़ा पर वो टेढ़ा नहीं है वो सीधा ही है straight
It's just that you're perceiving
differently
differently.
the third level of learning is intuition or the sixth sense and that is what being is taught to the children
Okay.
so they go beyond the 5 senses and they use their sixth sense to capture what is there real
तो आप
tapping to that.
कलर भी लाइक इफ आई एम ड्राइंग ये
Yeah.
कलर भी बता सकती है विदाउट एनी रिस्क.
आप उसको कोई फोटो दिखाओ वो बता देगी आपको.
हाँ मेरे पास एक फोटो है. आई हैव दिस वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पिक्चर. ठीक है. शी इज ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड एंड हियर इज द पिक्चर. मैं ये रखती हूँ.
यहाँ पे एक कैट है with a small bow in her ear, and she's drinking a juice
यस
and makeup,
यस
lipstick,
यस.
and makeup color is light pink and juice also. Straw color is red and
बो कलर.
bow color is dark just pink,
हाँ
red also.
रेड. या डार्क पिंक रेड. एंड जूस कलर.
Juice color is like skin color,
ओके
little bit.
लिटिल बिट. ओके.
And cat color is brown, black, and light white.
Yes. Oh my God. See, this was the picture. So ये आप इमेजिन कर पा रहे थे आग बंद था तब.
Hmm.
सब ऐसा ही फोटो दिखता है आग बंद करके. सेम.
Hmm.
वाओ. माइंड ब्लोन.
Yeah.
ऐसे भी हो सकता
I
है.
wish I got this education when I was young.
हाँ. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like मैंने मिस कर दिया कुछ.
If we are talking about AI,
Hmm.
this is absolute intelligence.
Yeah.
That is still artificial. See, even for AI, you have to provide it information, right? Only then you get something, some output. But even to give that information, you have to have something in your mind.
Yeah.
Some
Input तो
information.
देना है ना कुछ.
Exactly. तभी तो output आएगा वैसे.
This is like direct universal connect.
Wrong input दे रही है तो wrong output आता है. AI में भी.
100%.
But absolute intelligence is real. Is real intelligence.
So absolute over AI.
We're talking about nanotechnology. We're talking about all this. But this is real education that the world is looking for their children.
Why is this not taught in every school? I mean, I think every school in India should have something like this.
I would invite every school to come contact us and we will have it in your school
Yeah.
for age 5 to 18 and then you see the transformation that happens in children. Academically, recently a girl from Pune, her name is Ishita, she was sharing, she's preparing for NEET
Okay.
and it's quite a tough thing. So she was saying that she was quite poor in her studies. She was not well. She's not doing well. And her score was 3,500 or something like that. 1.5 months after practice, her score is 5 now.
Wow.
So that is the drastic shift that is happening in academics.
And it's such a short duration,
Yeah.
1.5 months.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Janvi.
Thank you.
It was so nice meeting you. So we have Savitri out here with us. और आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं छत्तीसगढ़ से हूँ.
छत्तीसगढ़ से. ओके. और आप भी इसी स्कूल के पार्ट हो?
हाँ.
अच्छा. और आपने कब किया इंट्यूशन प्रोसेस?
ट्यूशन प्रोसेस मैंने किया था नेक्स्ट ईयर में.
लास्ट ईयर में. सो रोज आप उठ के मेडिटेशन प्राणायाम सब करते हो? आपका रूटीन है वो?
हाँ.
एग्जैक्टली आपका रूटीन क्या है? कैसे अलग है दूसरे बच्चों से?
हम लोग सुबह उठ के हमारा जैसा रूटीन होता है वैसे करते हैं. उसके बाद हमारा क्रिया होता है.
क्रिया होता है.
हाँ.
अच्छा. तो रूटीन वाला आप स्कूल जाते हो सुबह उठ के कितने बजे जाते हो?
फिर हम लोग 8:30 में चलते हैं.
8:30 से. तो आप नॉर्मल पढ़ाई करते हो सर?
हाँ.
मैथ साइंस ये सब है आपके स्कूल में?
हाँ.
अच्छा. और उसके बाद आपको क्रिया करना है रोज?
हाँ.
तो वो क्रिया कितने घंटे का है?
20 मिनट्स.
ओके. ठीक है. चलो वील ट्राई समथिंग. व्हाट आप क्या करोगे हमारे लिए?
आपकी मर्जी.
So we'll try. She can read.
Yes.
With closing her eyes.
यस.
मैं इनको न्यूज़पेपर में से कोई तो बोलूंगी पढ़ने के लिए.
Right.
So let's try. Can we have the newspaper? Wait. So ये है article and we are going to see somebody reading with her eyes closed.
REASONTOGARE.
Okay.
There is a picture of a girl or lady and there was a boy.
Yes.
INSPIRE helping others.
Wow. So इतना छोटा है font. So ये पढ़ा, उसके बाद ये पढ़ा and this is a small font that she could actually read.
Wow, got it for the first time in
Oh,
English. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Amazing. आपने कैसे किया ये?
मैंने अपना मंत्र एक बार चैंट किया. उसके बाद मेरे को फील हुआ कि कुछ लिखा है.
ओके. तो आपको फील होता है
हाँ.
एंड आप बात कर सकते हो. डू यू सी विजन्स ऐसे कुछ? मतलब दिखता है
हाँ
दिखता है
दिखता है या कुछ साउंड भी आता है
साउंड भी आता है ओके दिस इज लाइक आई थिंक क्लेयर वॉयंस और एक क्लेयर ऑडिटरी भी रहता है ना लाइक वेयर यू कैन हियर एंड यू कैन सी विजन्स
I have no idea what happens inside them, but
या
yes, many of them share that यहाँ पर टीवी लगा है, in their kids' words, and then यहाँ पर ऐसे दिख जाता है.
आपको दिख जाता है वाओ थैंक यू सो मच दिस वाज अमेजिंग थैंक यू yes so we have our next superhero out here hi Nitya
हाय
I've seen a lot of reels
Thank you.
about you and मैं ऐसे सोचती हूँ ये कौन है ये क्या कर रहे हैं मतलब सीरियसली सो आप कहाँ से हो
मैं वैसे बॉम्बे से हूँ
Okay.
बट वी स्टे हियर एट द आश्रम तो हम 13 साल पहले इधर आ गए थे
so at what age
आई वाज
you come here
I was 3 when I shifted here.
at the age of 3
Yes.
so why because your family was a follower of art of living
My father was initially like he has been associated with art of living since 1990s.
okay
So then he got an opportunity over here to come and serve. So he said, okay, fine, let's just shift over here.
so you've studied here in the school
Yeah. So like one of the reasons why we shifted was also for my better quality of education. That's why.
wow
Yeah.
and when did you do the intuition class
I was 8. I did it with Shreya Didi itself.
okay
And now I'm 16. So for the past 8 years, I've been practicing.
wow beautiful and you also do it every day like your routine
Every
is
day.
also like
Yeah.
what is your routine
My routine is that I wake up around 6:45, 7, and then take bath and then do the sadhana, like the practice.
how long is your
process.
sadhana
Mine goes on for around 30 minutes,
okay
but intuition process is around 22 minutes.
okay
So that's one thing, and a bit of extra meditation I do. And then after that, I get ready for my school, and then I go. So school starts by 8:30. I come back by 4.
and do you play any sports
I play it in school level,
school
volleyball, and then I play badminton.
okay
Yeah.
so what are you going to show us today
So going to that,
हाँ
Nitya studies in Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir,
हाँ
and our schools have intuition process as a part of their academic curriculum.
yeah
So they practice every day. The whole school
practices together every day
practices together, and they have Sudarshan Kriya practice every day as a part of their academics. So we have seen great results, and Nitya was a mouse turned into a president of the school today.
Yeah.
okay
Yes.
so were you very shy because she said mouse
Very much.
yeah
Very much.
okay I don't see you like that anymore
Yeah, like that's what like intuition process. After doing the course with regular practice, those things started coming up. So वो डर जो था लोगों के साथ रहने का या फिर कुछ भी करने का वो सब चला गया अब
automatic चला गया
ऑटोमेटिकली चला गया मतलब जैसे जैसे दिन भर दिन प्रैक्टिस करते रहे उतना कॉन्फिडेंस रोज बढ़ते गया
So she addresses an audience of almost 3 lakhs, and she doesn't fear it, and she doesn't even know any one of them. A 3 lakh people audience is something for a child to face.
yes
And at the age of 8, she did that.
so even I wouldn't be able to do that it's so scary to just be and address so many people
And Nitya has developed photographic memory.
oh
So she would just read the verses of the Bhagavad Gita, and it would just come to her. She's won so many accolades and awards
okay
for just memorizing, for memory, for concentration, for focus. And today she's an ardent writer. She's been winning gold medals in essay writing and inter-college fests, not just inter-school, inter-college.
so all this is happening because of the kriya
Yes, like the intuition process, I would say majorly. तो वो सब करते करते even the Sudarshan Kriya, the Meda Yoga Kriya, what the kids do. So by practicing it daily, these things I didn't expect myself also to do. So it was like something very unknown to me, which I tapped into after doing the course.
okay
Yeah.
and the Bhagavad Gita so you can photogenic memory use it
And
She can chant.
so you can just be
Yeah.
just having the
When you
shlok
chant 2-3 lines.
yes. अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः then it is अर्जुनविषादयोगः धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय सञ्जय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्
wow And you've never studied the Bhagavad Gita.
I have read it. Like
You've read it
to
once.
gain that photographic memory, you have to go through it
So
once.
you go through it once. That's it.
Yeah.
And आपको याद है वो रोबोट में मूवी में दिखाते हैं वो चिट्ठी.
This is the blessing that children have been looking for, you know, that they remember, they see something and they don't have to keep revising again.
हाँ. So then what about your exams?
For exams, I do study. So उसमें भी intuition process ने बहुत help किया है.
You read a book once.
Yes. So like first thing is कि मेरे जो study hours है ना वो कम हो गए course करने के बाद with regular practice. तो थोड़े समय में I'm able to grasp more. That's one thing. And photographic memory as श्रेया दीदी told. तो मैं जब पढ़ने बैठती हूँ तो जो भी books होते हैं ना उसके pages मुझे याद हो जाते हैं. तो फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल इफ आई गेट स्टक इन द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल, याद नहीं आ रहा आंसर जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, बस आंख बंद करते और वही पेज आ जाता है जहाँ पे आंसर लिखा है. सो दैट्स हाउ इट हैज हेल्प्ड. एंड रिपीटेड रिविजन्स जो मुझे बहुत करना पड़ता था कोर्स के पहले, क्योंकि मैं भूल जाती थी कॉन्सेप्ट्स जो भी मैं पढ़ती थी. बट कोर्स करने के बाद देखा तो वो रिपीटेड रिविजन्स की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. इतना अच्छे से याद हो जाता है कि आई डोंट इवन हैव टू रिवाइज इट वंस अगेन.
Wow.
Yeah.
She's in 12th and she's so relaxed.
Yeah. And I think the way she's even talking is like so much calmness.
Right.
You can't expect like a 12-year-old kid to talk like this. 16-year-old. Sorry, 12 standard में हो आप. But this is amazing. You can actually just visualize.
Yes.
I mean, the brain.
She chanting at shlokas and mantras in Tamil also,
Oh,
Yeah.
being a Gujarati.
okay. And you've studied Tamil.
No, I don't know. I don't know any of the South Indian languages to read and write.
But you can just एक बार you've got.
हाँ, मतलब श्रेया दीदी ने मुझे एक सजेस्ट किया था. तो that's known as Kanda Shashti Kavacham. It's about Lord Kartikeya. So she just told me, you just learn this. You just listen to it. So I heard it for the first time and then I said okay. And then from the next day I was able to sing it. And with proper pronunciation, मतलब because Tamil and all the South Indian languages are very particular about their pronunciation. They were also perfect. Me being a Gujarati.
Wow. This is a proof, man, that brain is limitless. If you can actually tap into it in the right way.
And it's really long. It's almost 20
20
Yeah.
minutes.
20 minutes.
Yes.
Beautiful. Amazing. I have a lot of questions for you.
Yes.
But can you show us what all can you do?
Okay.
Yeah, tell me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Blindfold again.
Blindfold again, yeah. I think मेरा अभी विश्वास हो गया है कि ये हो रहा है सच में.
क्योंकि ऑडियंस को इतना स्केप्टिज्म होता है कि ऐसे करना है, इधर से पढ़ना है, सीधा पढ़ना है, नीचे पढ़ रहे हैं, ऊपर पढ़ रहे हैं.
So what do we
So it's better that we clear all their doubts.
Yeah.
You know, so it's very important.
Yes.
So you can give her anything to read from your iPad.
Okay.
Like randomly pick up something.
Okay.
So it's not planned. It doesn't look planned to the audience. That you have chosen something, she has read something, by hearted something,
So
memorized
मैंने
something.
ये एक निकाला है. This.
And it's not pre-shown to them.
हाँ, ये मैंने निकाला है अभी just before I started and she doesn't know about this. So here, Nitya.
Okay. So it says, learn to be alone. You don't need someone by your side for every single activity in your life. Learn to enjoy doing things on your own. Go to the gym by yourself. Take a solo trip to your favorite cafe or enjoy a meal at the restaurant you have always loved.
Wow. Amazing. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to show you a picture. ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay? With this is the picture.
पिक्चर इधर है इसका.
So she can't see, guys. क्या है यहाँ पे?
Okay. So it's a picture of a sunflower which is wearing a...
You can hold it far.
Okay, yeah. It's a picture of sunflower wearing pink color glasses.
It was an absurd picture, so I thought, how would she like?
One more.
Amazing. Okay, one more. Can I show one of my pictures?
Yes.
Like a photograph or something?
yeah.
Okay, fine. Let me just quickly find a picture.
You can play. You can mute the videos. You can describe it.
It's a muted video.
Okay, so there are two people, and you know, it's basically you are caressing an elephant, right? And you are wearing, like, there are two people who are wearing pink and red and black color dress.
Okay. Okay, next, what else?
So Nitya, you can mix this up for her.
Okay. So this, is she going to do it?
Blindfolded.
Okay, fine. Let's do this.
So they're turning records, doing it blindfolded. So,
Okay.
and we are wanting that not one, thousands of children together are going to be doing blindfold activities. Not just one, thousands.
When is this going to happen?
Soon.
Soon?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, because all of them are
It's
so...
not just one child, let me tell you.
हाँ.
Every child gains ability of intuition when they do this program. हर बच्चा में एक क्षमता है और वो उभर के आती है.
अच्छा.
धीरे धीरे उनकी जैसे जैसे रिलैक्स होते रहते हैं उतनी उतनी उनकी abilities बाहर आती है.
अच्छा.
Yeah. And it's amazing to see that parents are amazed that मेरा बच्चा मेरे को पहचाना ही जा रहा, ये मेरा ही बच्चा है.
Okay.
कि ये बच्चा इतना वीक था. कई बार एकेडमिक्स की वजह से बच्चों को लेके आते हैं क्लास में, हैंड राइटिंग बहुत खराब होती है और उस हैंड राइटिंग की वजह से उसको स्कूल से बाहर निकाल दिया गया था. और फाइनली उसकी हैंड राइटिंग आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग इंट्यूशन प्रोसेस करने के बाद ही यूज्ड टू राइट लाइक कैलीग्राफी.
Wow.
Like that is a transition that happened with the process.
So sky is the limit.
Yeah.
मतलब handwriting.
We are not able to fathom what next are they going to do. There are kids now, वो देखते हैं एप्पल को दूर से, सिर्फ दृष्टि से काट देते हैं, just cuts.
I cannot believe this.
Yes.
My
And this is
God.
happening. They're looking at a spoon from far
हाँ.
and Matrix has come real. So just looking at it, no physical pressure. It's a good, strong spoon. कड़छी तक बेंड की हुई है. कड़छी, बड़ी सी कड़छी. तो ये बच्चा बस देख रहा था और आसपास की तीनों कड़छी थी, एक उसमें छन्नी थी, वो भी बेंड हो गई.
Wow.
ऐसे नहीं था
तो
कि
आप खुद भी प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर पाते क्या हो रहा है. मतलब यू कैन नॉट प्रिडिक्ट, राइट? बिकॉज़ यू आर जस्ट टीचिंग. आप सिर्फ प्रोसेस सिखा रहे हो.
यस,
उसका अल्टीमेट रिजल्ट क्या होने वाला है वो आपको भी नहीं पता.
बच्चा डिपेंडेंट.
वो बच्चा डिपेंडेंट.
यस, वो जितना स्पोर्ट्स में उभर के बाहर आ रहा है या ऐसे राइटिंग में या एलोक्यूशन में, डांस में, म्यूजिक में, दे आर कंपोजिंग देयर ओन रिदम्स.
वाओ.
When they are dancing for the first time. So this Kathak dancer in Assam, he was a college president, a school president, and he said, for the first time I'm doing this. I don't know how. I'm able to just move to the steps on my own. Things are coming. I've never listened to that music before.
Okay.
And he was like, I was bang on with my steps.
Okay.
And even I can't feel and know that
How is this happening?
Yes.
So sorry. So okay, the cube is ready. Yeah, I have questions for you, but after this.
Yes.
Okay, so ये मैंने पूरा jumble up कर दिया है. Okay, so here you go.
I can't even do that.
I can't do that.
Okay.
Yeah, open eyes के साथ भी. Oh my God. How are you perceiving colors so fast with closed eyes? मतलब you not even taking a microsecond. मतलब how is it happening?
To keep it very simple, it's just like हम जैसे normal आँखों से देखते. For me, it happens like that. When I see with my normal eyes, just the same way I see it with the blindfold also. So actually, it's just like seeing with the normal eyes, but with better quality of vision.
Better quality also.
Yes.
It's not what. This is not good quality, but when your eyes are...
Yeah, so like see, I would say if I do this open eye, तो क्या होता है कि my speed is a bit low, like less, and it's just like I'm not sure of what to do next. But when I have my blindfold on, I'm very clear on what I have to do next because my hand just automatically moves and my speed is much more faster.
Boom, my head. I cannot even, like when she said better quality with blindfold, that is the power. So कहाँ दिख रहा है आपको ये, मतलब क्या हो रहा है?
तो आग्नेय चक्र जिसको कहते हैं इधर बिटवीन द आईब्रोज. तो फॉर मी इट कम्स एज अ फ्लैश माने एकदम एक लाइट जैसा. इट रिमेन्स फॉर सम सेकेंड्स. जो भी है जैसे कि ये है या कुछ रीडिंग मटेरियल है वो रहता है, वो एक बार हो जाता है उसके बाद वो चला जाता है. सो इट्स जस्ट फॉर फ्यू सेकेंड्स.
So it just goes away.
It's a disappearing thing.
It's a disappearing thing. So is it like your third eye is activated because of all these things?
I'm sure.
Of course, because you're seeing visions here. And that's what we are trying to do, right? Everyone wants that third eye clarity, that vision जो यहाँ पे है अपने. Wow.
The whole journey of life is to increase your awareness and alertness, right?
Yes.
The more aware you are about things, the more sensitive you are to people, the more sensitive you are to the environment, the more sensitive you are to your own self, right? Otherwise, you hurt yourself
Yeah.
because you're not aware what's happening.
Yeah.
I don't even know that I have a headache until I get pain in the head.
Yeah.
Or I don't even know I have a head,
Yeah.
It's like I don't even know I breathe until I'm running steps.
Yes.
I'm like,
Yeah, we are not aware of so many things that our body is also functioning and doing till the time, as you said, कि headache होने के बाद समझता है कि
Yeah, alive because of your breath.
yeah.
But how much attention are you paying to the breath? And the breath has so many secrets. The breath is the doorway to your awareness, your alertness, your relaxation, and also to your prana, your energy. Highest source of energy is the breath. Most neglected.
Yeah.
You know, today we are using only 30% of the lung capacity. And 70% is gone. So you're not even utilizing your lungs, which means that much breath is going into your brain, right? Air.
Yeah.
And that means your performance of your body is only 30%. So 70% you're not even optimizing or utilizing.
So
गाड़ी you breathe more.
गाड़ी चल रही है लेकिन कम पेट्रोल, मतलब उस पे ही खेल रहे हो.
देखो एक बैलून
चार्ज,
एक बैलून को लो,
हाँ,
उसको फुलाओ, ठीक है, उसको छोड़ दो, कैसे जाएगा?
to go like haywire.
Yeah, the mind is also going like that.
Yeah.
जैसे जैसे लंग कैपेसिटी छोटी हो रही है, मन भी ऐसे ही जा रहा है.
Okay. So you increase your lung capacity, your brain will get more oxygen.
जैसे बैलून को फुला दिया अच्छे से,
हाँ.
and you tied and you leave it very relaxed.
Okay.
Full breath is full vision, full clarity, total relaxation. Everything
You
is
know what you want to do in life.
Yes, I'm very clear.
Yeah. What's your life purpose?
So, life purpose, there's a lot to explore right now. But अभी मतलब अगर करियर का देखा जाए तो like you know intuition process guided me कि I have to take BA International Relations with Public Policy, Peace Studies and Journalism.
तो वो भी खुद से आया.
हाँ, मतलब वो अंदर से ही आया कि you are meant for this, do this.
Okay.
And like so now like I believe since the time I've been doing the course and I've practicing, so I believe in that first thought. तो वो जब भी आता है I don't ignore it, I don't neglect it. So I follow it, and if this has come from me, within from me, then I know that it is right.
So next, what are you going to do?
Yes,
What
so
is this?
this is known as telekinesis.
Okay.
उसमें हम लोग है ना we just put a focus on an object and then वो हिलता है, मतलब मन की शक्ति से वो फिर हिलता है.
Okay.
Yes. So these are the straws which we have arranged.
हाँ.
So they are just in random positions, so we'll just do that.
Like Stranger Things.
Yeah, you can also arrange it like
हाँ. Okay, fine. थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर. हाँ, ठीक है. Okay, fine. Okay, so you're going to move this without touching it.
Yeah.
oh my god, it's not easy. You just keep looking at it. You look at it. Just keep looking at it.
कुछ नहीं हो रहा है.
And there's no air.
There's nothing. Yeah.
And nothing.
That was crazy. I have one question.
Yes.
Do you think because you can do all these crazy things, you're a special kid, right? Like with your friends. Do you feel a little extra special कि थोड़ा सा मैं थोड़ी अलग हूँ, थोड़ा वो अलग नहीं आता है कभी?
नहीं, इनफैक्ट लाइक मेरे पूरे फ्रेंड सर्कल ने ये कोर्स किया है, सो एवरी वन ऑफ देम कैन डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स.
Okay.
सो इट्स लाइक बट या वी फील ब्लेस्ड वंस कि यू नो
You feel blessed.
या
Do you think it like you feel a little ego
नहीं.
coming in because the outer world doesn't know? मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों को नहीं पता है. Your friends know about it.
नो इट्स लाइक यू नो हम लोग ये दिखावे के लिए तो बिल्कुल नहीं करते. तो वी until it comes out we don't tell it to people that we do these things. And coming towards the ego part, I would say कि intuition process ने ना actually इतना grounded रखा है कि वो ego factor आता ही नहीं है.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
like
it doesn't
it doesn't come.
into your head कि मैं कुछ अलग, वो नहीं आता है ego.
At least for me, I have like experienced that I've always intuition process has made me feel grounded all the time, calm, grounded, not having that ego that I'm doing this or that,
Okay.
irrespective of anything.
Okay, and one last question for whoever's watching podcast. तो viewers में बहुत सारे बच्चे पेरेंट्स भी देख के रहेंगे ये वीडियो. One thing you think is killing today's kids का intuition. वो ऐसी कौन सी चीज है? बिकॉज आप मेडिटेशन से बढ़ा रहे हो, बट ऐसी क्या एक चीज है जो बच्चों ने एक्चुअली नहीं करनी चाहिए, विच इज टेकिंग देम अवे फ्रॉम देयर ओन इनर गाइडेंस?
सेल्फ डाउट, आई वुड से.
सेल्फ डाउट.
हाँ, मतलब जितना अपने आप डाउट कर पाते हो उतना यू आर रिड्यूसिंग योर ओन पोटेंशियल. तो मतलब यू हैव सो मच पोटेंशियल ना, तो यू कैन डू दैट. तो आई वुड से जस्ट कॉन्फिडेंट रहो अपने आप पे. आई वॉज ऑल्सो लाइक द वंस ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू बी वेरी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट. तो नाउ आई कैन से दैट आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट. तो कॉन्फिडेंस एक चीज है जो रखनी है, एंड सेल्फ डाउट जो है वो निकाल देना.
ओके, परफेक्ट. थैंक यू सो मच नित्या.
थैंक यू सो मच.
इट वाज अमेजिंग मीटिंग यू. This was amazing.
Yeah.
You have any message before we end this podcast for all the viewers?
I just feel that every child deserves this education and is waiting for it. And every parent must look at meditation as a solution for all the problems that they're facing in the world.
Yeah.
All or any problem that they're facing. The solution is here.
Yes.
It's not just the intuition process, but the intuition process also has a lot of in-depth value education that is added along with the intuition process.
Yeah. So it's not about just knowing colors या मैं हिला सकती हूँ ये या ये कर सकती हूँ.
ये तो 5-10 मिनट की एक्टिविटीज हैं, उसके साथ हम इतनी सारी एक्टिविटीज, गेम्स एंड इंटरेक्शंस करते हैं बच्चों के साथ जो खुद के साथ वो लोग करते हैं और उससे वो इतना उभर के बाहर आते हैं. एंड लाइक शी सेल्फ डाउट गोज, यू नो दैट फैक्टर ऑफ trust remains, that awareness dawns in you. You feel more light, you feel more pure, you feel energized.
So it's beyond this. It's like आपकी पूरे life का सब कुछ अगर एक
And
clarity.
teenagers are looking at some wow factor,
Yeah.
and it is here.
Yes.
It's not like we are asking you to just close your eyes and sit. It's such fun that they would never have experienced this in their life.
Wow.
That real joy you experience in this course through those games and activities, they don't want to go back home. They're like, please, ye pura saal karwa do course.
Wow. And especially learning from somebody like you. I mean, even I am like, काश मैं छोटी होती और मैं काश आपसे सीख पाती. You have an amazing personality. Let me tell you that. And you're doing an amazing job. And I request whoever's watching this video, please send your kids to the Art of Living Intuition Process program. And I think every school, this should reach the PMO, I don't know what, but the schools should adopt this for an entire holistic development of their kid. You're not just teaching them math, science, ये जीने के लिए है, but ये पूरे अपने life को, अच्छे से जीने, मतलब I think, the value
जीने की कला है.
कला है, exactly. So I think, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. This episode was definitely a reminder for me that we are underutilizing the power of meditation, of pranayama, जो हमें कितने सालों से दिया गया है. I'm sure that I'm doing a part 2 with Shreya because अभी भी मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सारे questions हैं. And I'm sure you guys have questions too. Please leave them in the comments below and do not forget to share this episode with your friends and family and especially with people who have kids because this is your chance to make a difference in their life. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep rising above things that are holding you back, embrace growth and do not forget, I roar you.